Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction. With multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
To empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and SAM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction. With multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
To empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community. Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction, with multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
To empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction, with multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
To empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences.
Good afternoon to everyone. Today, April 8, 2025, marks an exceptional day in our calendar as we recognize the tireless journey of our students. It gives us an immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 10th Moving Up ceremony of the school year 2024-2025 with the theme Quest for Sustainable Future, a legacy upholding core values and innovations. On behalf of NCF Board of Trustees, administrators, BED Academic Council, faculty, and staff, I hereby call this 10th Moving Up ceremony class of 2025 officially in session.
Looking back, it's hard to believe how quickly time passes. It feels just yesterday when we were grade 8 and just getting used to face-to-face classes, full of inspiration, hope, and looking forward to what the school year might bring. The memories are still fresh in my mind, a journey filled with laughter, challenges, and sleepless nights. Yet, here we are, standing at the end of the finish line, ready to move on to the next chapter of our lives. The memories of our early days will always stay with us. But today, as we gather for the moving up ceremony, we mark this moment as we step forward and celebrate this milestone. Before this message goes any further, allow me to introduce myself. I am Jessica S. Sepe, and it is an honor to stand before you today to deliver this welcome address. To our distinguished guest of honor and speaker, Ms. Vivian Maniago Pucas, our school president, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, Chairman of the Board of Trustees, Attorney Carlo B. Villanueva, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquis, Assistant Vice President for BED and Principal, Mr. Al Noel L. Asis, our Junior High School Assistant Principal, Ms. Alita P. Balyarda, Academic Supervisor, Ms. Raquel F. Nabong, School Registrar, Ms. Rhea V. Agregado, faculty and staff, and fellow completers, a blessed afternoon to each and every one of you. Our Moving Up theme is about quest for sustainable future, a legacy upholding core values and innovations. In our track to academic success, we are equipped with knowledge as we share a piece of it to the future generation. By this, we show that we uphold the legacy of our school as we embody our core values. In the pursuit for a sustainable and brighter future, we will be able to create a tomorrow full of innovations inspired by our academic excellence. The journey to get to this day has not been easy. I know that everyone here understands the struggles we face to earn our certificates. It has been a challenging experience, but also a valuable one. We had our fun, built meaningful friendships, and created lasting memories that we will cherish forever. Every section has its own stories and shared experiences that make them special. We all faced difficulties and grew from them. We are not the same people who walked into our classroom on the first day. We all have demonstrated our worth, and that is why we are here today, receiving recognition for our hard work and dedication. Today marks a significant milestone, showcasing our resilience, determination, and the effort we put into the past 4 years. I would like to take this opportunity to share this word of wisdom that would help in our track in reaching new heights. Remember these 2 things. First is to embrace every moment because time is precious and fleeting. Every single moment, whether good or bad, is an opportunity to grow. Make the most of your time here and don't take it for granted. You never know when you'll regret spending your time on useless things. Second, which I got from a classmate of mine, is to never forget to take care of yourself. It's easy to forget about your physical and mental health, but remember that taking breaks is just as important as working hard. While academic success is important, That's not what life is all about. To all the completers of Class 2025, today is not just a ceremony, it's a celebration of what we've become and everything we've overcome. As we proudly represent our alma mater, the Naga College Foundation Incorporated, let us remember the values we've learned and embodied through the years. Quest, meaning quality, excellence, service, and truth. These values have guided us throughout our journey, and wherever life may lead us next, may we always carry them with pride. We are and will always be proud NCians. Thank you, NCF, for being our home and for shaping us into who we are today. As we take the next step, we do so with confidence, leaping into the future and embracing change and growth for the better. To our beloved teachers, our mentors, and our second parents, thank you for your patience and dedication in teaching us, not only in academics, but also in life and character. You have been more than just educators. You have been our motivators, our role models, and our greatest supporters. My dearest fellow completers, remember that this isn't the end of our journey. It's just the beginning. The future is waiting, and I know that each of us has the strength, the talent, and the determination to achieve great things. I truly hope that one day, when we'll meet again, we can look at each other and know that we have already achieved the dreams we have set out to fulfill. Now, I formally welcome you all in the 10th Moving Uprights of Junior High School, Class of 2025.
Attorney Carlos C. Villanueva Jr., Chairman of the Naga College Foundation Board of Trustees and the Senior Vice President. Sir, upon the recommendation of the Basic Education Department, Junior High School faculty, and of the Registrar, it is my honor to present to you 221 candidates for junior high school completion for school year 2024-2025. Please rise. They've satisfactorily completed the Basic Education Junior High School K-12 curriculum prescribed for secondary schools of the Department of Education. Sir, for your confirmation.
By the authority and power vested in me by the Board of Trustees as the Chairman and as the authorized representative of the President of the Naga College Foundation, and having been presented by the Principal of the Basic Education Department that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements for junior high school curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education, I hereby confirm you junior high school completers of Naga College Foundation Incorporated Basic Education Department for school year 2024-2025. Therefore, you are entitled to receive your certificate of completion and to enjoy whatever benefits appertaining thereto. Congratulations. Okay, you may sit down, please. distinguished guest speaker, Ms. Vivian Maniago Bucas, our VP for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Maniquez, our AVP for the Basic Education Department and the Principal, Mr. Al Noel Asis, the Assistant Principal of Junior High School, Ms. Alita Balyarda, all the parents, the faculty, and the staff present here today, and my dear students, a pleasant good afternoon. Today, we gather to celebrate a significant milestone in the lives of our grade 10 students, a moment of transition, growth, and promise. On this Moving Up ceremony under the theme Quest for Sustainable Future, a legacy upholding core values and innovations, we are reminded of both our roots and our responsibilities. You know, my dear graduates, when I was your age, we were once there also, in this same place. And we were graduates of high school. Back then, in 1984, wala pa pong K-12. So now that we have the K-12 curriculum, you have the Moving Up ceremony. And you have added 2 more years, and you're going to your senior high school. At Naga College Foundation, founded in 1947, we have always believed that education is more than academics. It is about shaping values, inspiring vision, and preparing your minds to become stewards of the future. And as you move up today, you carry forward not only the knowledge gained in the classrooms, but also the deeper legacy of this institution, one built on our core values of quality, service, and truth. Let us begin with quality. For over 7 decades, Naga College Foundation has strived for excellence in all aspects of learning and leadership. Quality is not merely about high grades. It is about doing your best with integrity, being committed to growth, and holding yourself to standards that uplift others. In your quest for sustainable future, remember that innovation must be rooted in excellence, whether you're designing eco-friendly solutions, writing meaningful stories, or leading your peers. Let the quality of your work reflect the quality of your character. Next, we turn to service. Founded in the spirit of community and nation building, our school believes that true success is found in serving others. In a world where challenges like climate change, poverty, and inequality persist, your willingness to serve can change lives. You don't need to wait to make a difference. You can start now, whether it's helping a neighbor, leading a community cleanup, or starting a school project that promotes sustainability. Your service has the power to spark real change. And finally, truth. Truth has always been the anchor of this institution. In today's fast-paced world, filled with information and noise, the ability to discern and uphold truth is more important than ever. Napakarami po ngayon ng mga fake news. So dapat alam nyo kung paano natin malalaman kung fake news yan. Truth must guide your innovation because without honesty, even the brightest ideas can do harm. Be brave enough to ask difficult questions. Be wise enough to listen. And be bold enough to stand for what is right, even when it's not easy. Before I close, allow me to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our dear teachers. Thank you for giving your best. Your patience, passion, and dedication have molded not only the minds but hearts. You have nurtured these students with wisdom, discipline, and care, and your impact will forever echo in their future successes. To the parents and guardians, we thank you deeply for your unwavering support and guidance. You are the first teachers and the constant source of strength behind every student. Your sacrifices, encouragement, and love have brought them to this day, and we share this celebration with you. Dear students, you are the next generation of change makers. You have been nurtured by a school that has since 1947 committed itself to building lives that matter, not just for today, but for the future. So as you move forward, carry with you the legacy of Naga College Foundation. Let quality shape your dreams. Let service guide your hands. And let truth guard your hearts. In doing so, you will not only build a sustainable future, you will inspire others to do the same. Again, congratulations, dear students. The world awaits your brilliance. Thank you, and may your journey ahead be one of purpose, passion, and lasting impact. Thank you.
To our dear guest speaker, Ms. Vivian Maniago Bucas, RMT, School President Sir Mario Villanueva, Chairman of the Board of Trustees and the Senior Vice President, Attorney Carlo Villanueva, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquis, Assistant Vice President for BED and Principal, Sir Al Noel L. Asis, Academic Supervisor of the Junior High School, Ms. Raquel F. Nabong, Junior High School Assistant Principal, Ms. Alita P. Balyarda, School Registrar, Ms. Rhea Agregado, faculty, staff, parents, and fellow completers. A blessed afternoon to everyone. I would like to express gratitude on behalf of the class 2024 to 2025. All throughout my high school journey here at the Naga College Foundation, since I was a freshman, I've witnessed how they sustained and improved the facilities, quality of education, and especially when it comes to our sports and academic life. They helped me become well-rounded in different aspects, gave me exposure to different scenarios that led me to having more opportunities. 5 years ago, I stepped foot inside this school, shocked at how big the buildings were. It was nothing compared to schools I've gone to before. Online classes started during that time, and during our first and second quarter, I was not participating and reciting frequently. Until the third quarter started, I felt motivated to bring my spark back when it comes to academics and extracurricular activities. I became a candidate to be a school officer, but unfortunately, I didn't win. I also joined our JHS broadcasting team as news anchor and joined the Peer Facilitators Guild, which helped me a lot to boost my confidence when communicating with other people. I've met some friends that I still have connections with to this day, and teachers who guided and believed in me. During my sophomore and junior year, I decided to become a student leader, and again, NCF keeps on improving. There were events that came up unexpectedly, kept us busy and tired, but it always ended successfully. I didn't know how I managed to balance my academic and personal life, but I was so excited because more opportunities came and I didn't hesitate to take and try it. I enjoyed those school years, less stress and one step at a time. As I'm now in my last year in high school, NCF never stops to help and nurture and improve my skills. With the opportunities I joined, I was confident enough to be part of many organizations as I could, which led me to have more responsibilities since I'm now recognized by the other grade levels as their ate, who they could approach when they needed help. As a matter of fact, being a Supreme Student Council President wasn't part of my plan because I wanted to enjoy my grade 10 life and I'm scared of what would happen since I know the responsibilities are heavier than before and I have to be more careful of my actions. I was even more worried and kept on overthinking on what if I lose my academic award because of the busy schedule. However, I'm glad to say that it didn't happen. And this school year was a roller coaster ride. I achieved 3 things: to be the SSC President, Miss Intramurals 2024, and to deliver the speech on behalf of the class 2024 to 2025. Kapag naaalala ko ang mga alaala sa 4 na taong iyon, alam kong hindi lang ako ang naiiyak. Habang buhay ko ay babaon ng mga tawanan at sikretong tanging tayo lamang ang nakakaalam. Ang mga kulitan, kantahan, at tsikahan na hindi na muling maririnig sa ating silid-aralan. Sa walang sawang pagbigkas na, pagod na ako, ayoko na. Ngunit gagawin din naman natin. Magrereklamo, pero hindi susuko. Ilang taon ang lumipas, may mga kaibigan tayong hindi na natin nakakausap sa hindi malamang dahilan. Ngunit may mga kaibigan naman na panghabang buhay ang samahan. Ilang luha rin ang tumulo sa bawat pagkakataon na nais na nating sumuko. Ngunit tayo ay nagpatuloy para makapagtapos. At huwag nating kalilimutan ang mga guro na nariyan para sa atin na sumusubaybay hanggang dulo. Nais kong pasalamatan ang ating mahal na Panginoon pagkat ako'y ginabayan niya sa aking lakbay sa pag-aaral at kahit kailanman ay hindi niya tayo pinabayaan. Totoo nga ang sabi na God's plan may take time, but His timing is always perfect. Kaya patuloy ako nagpapasalamat sa biyayang ibinigay niya sa akin simula pa noong una. Nais ko rin magpasalamat sa aking mga magulang na walang sawang pagbibigay ng suporta sa aking pag-aaral. Kayo ang nariyan sa tuwing kailangan ko ng tulong at nagpapasalamat ako dahil binibigyan niyo ako ng pahinga kapag pagod na ako. Maraming salamat sa mga sakripisyong ginagawa niyo para sa amin ni Ate. Kahit pagod na kayo. Ginagawa niyo ng paraan para makapagtapos kami sa pag-aaral at ito ang nais kong isukli para sa inyo. Mama, Papa, nag-rank 1 po ako. At sana kahit hindi pa ito sapat, ay nakabawi ako at napasaya ko kayo. Some of my bucket list were checked because they believed in me. Tito Don, Tito Archer, Tita Wawu, Tita Ali, Tita Tin, Tito Nald, Tita Joy, Mommy Ems, Daddy Clint, and Ate Macy. Thank you so much for supporting and sharing your blessings to us. Sa aking mga guro na tumatak sa isipan ko simula grade 7 na hanggang ngayon. Sir X, ang naging math teacher ko noong grade 7 at 8. Maraming salamat po dahil kahit ngayon ay tinuturing mo akong parang estudyante mo. Ma'am Mika, ang English teacher ko noong grade 8, maraming salamat. Dahil sa inyo ay humusay ako pagdating sa speech choir at habang buhay kong aalalahanin ang mga tinuro mo tungkol doon. Ma'am Monique, ang math teacher at class advisor ko noong grade 9, salamat po sa mga technique na tinuro mo sa amin tungkol sa math. at sasamahan natin sa silid-aralan tuwing may sobrang oras pa. Ma'am Arian, ang aking TLE teacher noong grade 9, salamat din po. Dahil sa mga roleplay na aming ginagawa noon, ay mas naiintindihan ko ang iyong tinuturo. Lalong-lalo na sa aking mga grade 10 teachers. Lubos po ako nagpapasalamat sa inyo. Sir Kian, sa pagtanggap na maging SSC advisor namin siya, tandaan mo po na palagi ka naming na-appreciate sa mga tulong na iyong ginawa. Kahit pagod ka na, at sa bawat pagtuturo mo sa amin, kami rin ay ginaganahan makisama. Ma'am Claire, nanariyan para suportahan din ako, lalong-lalo na noong may laban ako sa declamation. Salamat din po sa tiwalang ibinigay mo sa akin dahil ako ang iyong napili maging anak mong fetus. Sir John, ang aking science teacher na napakahaba ng pasensya sa amin, simula noong pasukan pa lamang. Salamat po kasi naging paborito ko ang subject na science dahil sa iyo. Ma'am Modj, pagkat ikaw ay nagiging strikto sa amin, alam ko na makakatulong ito. Dahil sa iyong mga kritiko at pagtuturo ay mas napapabuti namin ang mga gawain at nagagawa ang mga bagay na akala namin imposible. Ma'am Jen at Sir Otep, kahit hindi ko man kayo naging guro, ako ay nagpapasalamat pa rin dahil nagkaroon tayo ng magandang samahan at itinuturing niyo rin ako bilang estudyante niyo. At syempre, hindi ko makakalimutan ang aking grade 10 advisor na si Ma'am Cecil. Lubos po ako nagpapasalamat sa iyo dahil ramdam ko na naging pangalawang magulang kita rito sa paaralan. Hinding-hindi ko makakalimutan ang sabi mo na walang tao na hindi matalino pero may taong tamad. Yan ang iyong sinabi na tumatak sa aking isipan. Ang akala ko'y sobrang strikto na guro ay kalaunay nagbago rin. Siya ay nariyan kapag may kailangan ka, tutulungan kang intindihin ang math kapag naguguluhan ka, at hindi ka titigilan hanggat sa maintindihan mo. Sa paningin ng Shellum, siya ay medyo strikto pero nakikisama siya sa bawat biruan namin. Kaya kahit kami man ay mag-iiba na ng landas, ikaw pa rin ang aming Mama Cecil. Hindi ko rin makakalimutan ang aking mga naging kaklase, lalo na ang mga taong naging parte ng buhay ko. Kimo, Hermione, Shane, Casey, Rian, Dan, Wong, Dana, Isha, Jocelyn, at sa ibang tao pa na hindi ko inaakala magiging kaibigan ko. Maraming salamat dahil nariyan kayo para suportahan ako palagi at kasama kayo sa bawat pagsubok na dumating. Sa bawat tawa at luha ay nariyan kayo. Maraming salamat sa mga alaala na ginawa natin at dahil roon ay naging masaya ang mga araw ko kahit pagod na ako. Sa pagsabi na proud kayo sa akin sa mga panahong kailangan kong marinig yon, hinding-hindi ko kayo makakalimutan. Naway magtagal ang ating pagsasama kahit iba-iba na ang landas na tatahakin natin. Sa aking SSC at grade level officer, maraming salamat dahil nakasama ko kayo sa termino ko. Kahit may pagkakataon na hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan, ay nagagawan pa rin natin ng paraan ang mga bagay para magawa ng maayos ang bawat project. Kahit hindi ako naging the best president para sa inyo, sana ay may natutuhan tayong aral sa bawat isa. Hindi ko man nasasabi ito palagi, pero totoo namang napasaya at proud ako sa inyo. Salamat din po, Sir Joward, sa pagbibigay sa akin ng mga oportunidad simula freshman ako at paggabay sa tuwing kailangan ko ng tulong. Kay Sir Marvin, sa pagbibigay sa akin ng words of wisdom, mata sa langit, paa sa lupa, at patuloy kong iisipin ito kahit ilang taon ang lumipas. To end my speech, I would like to say that I'm glad to see all of us standing here at the ST Quadrangle for the moving up ceremony. I'm excited to see what the future holds for us, and I hope each and everyone will be successful in the things they want in life. Always remember that impossible is not a fact, but an option. Muli, ito ang inyong news reporter 2, ang chika Dorang Morena ng Naga, LA MIPA. Congratulations, class of 2024 to 2025.
Distinguished Chairman of the Board of Trustees and Senior Vice President, Attorney Carlo Villanueva, Assistant Vice President and Principal, Sir Noel Asis, our School Registrar, Ma'am Rhea Agregado, Academic Supervisor, Ma'am Raquel Nabong, and Assistant Principal for Junior High School, Ma'am Alita P. Balyarda. Our faculty of the junior high school and staff, mga minamahal naming mga magulang, I see our Vice President, Sir Roger Villanueva over there for Finance. Good afternoon po. And of course, ang mga minamahal na mga mag-aaral ng Class of 2025, 10th Junior High School Moving Up Rights. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Akin pong ikinagagalak at isang malaking karangalan na maipakilala ko sa inyo ang ating panauhing pandangal at panauhing tagapagsalita sa hapon na ito. Ang ating panauhing pandangal ay isang registered medical technologist na nahahanay sa isa sa mga matatagumpay na entrepreneur sa larangan ng medisina. Siya ay alumna sa high school class of 1994 ng Naga College Foundation. Siya ay nagpamalas ng kanyang angking galing sa pamamagitan ng pagnenegosyo. Noong 2019, siya ay bumalik sa Pilipinas matapos ang 16 na taon ng pagtatrabaho sa Saudi Arabia bilang isang medical technologist. At kanya ring pinasimulan ang pagtatag ng VMB Med 2020 Diagnostic Center, isang one-stop shop clinic na may medical doctor, laboratory, ultrasound, x-ray, at 2D echo. Ito ay matatagpuan sa Caloocan City, Metro Manila. Nangsabay ito sa pandemya. Ngunit hindi iyon naging hadlang upang yumabong ang kanyang negosyong pinasimulan. Bilang patunay sa kanyang natural na husay sa larangang ito, hindi nakapagtataka na sa loob lamang ng 5 taon ay nakapagbukas siya ng 4 na DOH accredited na medical clinic and diagnostic center sa North Caloocan at ang pinakabagong branch sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Dagdag pa rito, nakapagtatag din siya ng 4 na pharmacies na nagngangalang Pharmacy 2020 na matatagpuan din sa North Caloocan at isang DOH and PhilHealth accredited birthing home na tinawag niyang Med 2020 Birthing Home. Pinakita nito na hindi siya nag-atubili na sumubok ng ibang oportunidad sa ibang larangan ng medisina. Hindi na mapigilan pa ang kanyang tagumpay. Kaya ang sunod niya ngayong pinagkakaabalahan ay ang kasalukuyang ipinapapatayo na pangalawang branch na birthing home at pangatlong laboratory na may drug test center na rin. Mabilis na lumago at patuloy pang lumalago ang nasabing mga negosyo. Sa kanyang natamong tagumpay ay lalo pa siyang nahikayat at sinipag na mamuhunan sa iba pang uri ng negosyo na alam niyang kaya niya itong palaguin. Ito ay ang pagkakaroon ng Vibrant Charm Salon na nakikilala na din sa kanilang lugar. Ang kahanga-hanga sa kanya ay mag-isa niyang inumpisahan ang mga negosyong ito. Tanging kanyang asawa at isang assistant lamang ang naging katuwang noong siya ay nagsisimula pa lamang. Sa kasalukuyan, mayroon na siyang humigit kumulang na 40 staff at 15 doctors na may iba't ibang specialization. Naniniwala siya na ang lahat ng ito ay bunga ng kanyang hindi matatawarang sipag, pagtitiyaga, tiwala sa sarili at lakas ng loob, pagiging risk-taker at hindi natatakot na sumubok sa pagkakamali at magkamali. Gayon din ang kanyang paniniwalang walang imposible sa pangarap kapag hinihingi sa Panginoong Diyos. Sa lahat ng mga naririto ngayon, atin pong bigyan pugay ang kapitapitagang panauhing pandangal para sa 10th Junior High School Moving Up Rights Class of 2025. Si Binibining Vivian P. Maniago Bukas, Registered Medical Technologist.
Maraming salamat. Maupo po tayong lahat. Sa ating kagalang-galang na Pangulo, Sir Mario Villanueva, sa ating Senior Vice President, Attorney Carlo Villanueva, sa ating Principal, Sir Noel Al Aziz, at sa ating Assistant Principal, Miss Alita Balyarda, at sa ating pang-ibang guest. Una po sa lahat, gusto kong magpasalamat sa Naga College Foundation sa pagbibigay sa akin ng opportunity para maging isang guest speaker sa programang ito. Sobrang nakaka-proud kasi isa to sa mga pangarap ko na balang araw maging isang guest speaker. Kasi pag sinabing guest speaker, ibig sabihin, nire-recognize ng school na naging successful na yung kanilang estudyante. Kaya, actually, hindi pa nagsisink in sa akin at hindi ko pa masasabing successful ako. Medyo malayo na ang nararating, pero malayo pa ang tatahakin. Grade 10 completers, congratulations sa inyong lahat. Anong nararamdaman nyo sa mga oras na ito? Masaya. Nagpasalamat na ba kayo sa mga magulang nyo? Okay, buti naman. Yung mga hindi pa nagpapasalamat, mamaya pagkatapos ng program, yakapin nyo yung magulang nyo, magpasalamat kayo. Sapagkat kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi natin mararating o matatapos itong ating pag-aaral bilang grade 10. Gusto ko lang ikwento sa inyo kung paano yung isang tulad nyo. Dati, dyan din ako nakaupo. High school graduate na punong-puno ng pangarap. Punong-puno ng plano sa buhay. Gustong umasenso balang araw. Nung high school ako, active kasi ako sa school, sa academic man yan or extracurricular. Lahat ko sinasalihan. Kasi ang sabi ng nanay ko, kapag may opportunity dumating, grab mo lang. Huwag mong papalampasin. Kaya mula no elementary, high school, hanggang sa naging college ako, lahat na opportunity dumarating sa school, ginagrab ko. Naging student council officer din ako dito dati. Naging editor-in-chief ng school paper, Green and Gold. Meron pa po ba ngayon? Ayun. Naging editor-in-chief din ako noon. proud ako na ikwento sa inyo. Tapos, naging member din ako ng theater arts. Meron pa sir ngayon. Ayun. Yung mga bagay na sinalihan ko noon, isa yon sa naghubog sa akin kung paano magkaroon ng buong kalooban ba? Buong kalooban. Gusto ko sa lahat ng bagay, magagawa kong maayos, magagawa kong maganda para maging maayos yung magiging resulta. Natapos ko yung high school ko dito, tapos naging college ako. Nung college ako, ang gusto ko talaga maging certified public accountant. Yun talaga ang gusto kong trabaho, yung nagbibilang ng pera sa bangko, di ba? Yun, masaya yon. Kaso, sabi ng nanay ko, ano kaya kung mag-nursing ka na lang anak? Kasi ang gandang tingnan pag nakaputi eh, sabing gano'n ng nanay ko. Meron ba dito sa inyong interested na maging sa college na kukuha ng medical courses? Pwede po bang patas ng kamay? Ayun. Meron ba sa inyong gustong mag-medtech? Meron? Nako, wag nyo nang ituloy. Baka masira ang buhay nyo. Sobrang hirap. Pero, hindi, joke lang yan, kids. Masarap yung pagiging medtech, ma-appreciate nyo pag nasa field na kayo ng pagtatrabaho. Yun, balik tayo. Nung college ako, at first year, nag-enroll ako as nursing. Pero hindi ko siya nagustuhan. One sem lang ako noon. Tapos nag-shift na naman ako ng physical therapist. Hindi ko rin siya nagustuhan. So, medyo kinakabahan na ako nung sabi ko, baka makakapagtapos pa kaya ako ng college. Di ko na alam kung anong kurso talaga yung kukuhanin ko. So, ayoko naman maging dentist. Ayoko namang maging radtech. So, wala na akong ibang choice kundi maging medtech. Yun. Kahit mahirap, sige lang, tinapos ko lang. Kahit hindi ko siya gaanong ma-appreciate nung nag-i-school pa kami. Kaya sabi ko, ano ba to? Ang dami-daming pangalan ng bacteria, ng parasite na kailangan mong i-memorize. Pero sige lang, hanggang narating ko yung internship. During internship, dun ko siya na-enjoy. Napakasarap palang maging medtech. Kasi biruin mo, nakikita mo yung itsura ng dugo, ng mga parasites, ng ihi sa ilalim ng microscope. Ang ibang profession hindi alam nun, pero tayo alam natin yon. At hindi pa nakikita ng doktor yung resulta, alam na natin kung ano yung sakit ng pasyente. Kaya sa mga gustong maging medical technologist, ipagpatuloy nyo yan. At isipin nyo, kayo ay mag-medtech, hindi para maging medical technologist employee, kundi magiging kayong laboratory owner. Yun ang dapat goal natin. Okay, kids, sa mga mag-medtech dyan. Okay. Tapos, after ko natapos yung aking college, nag-board exam ako, 2 years ako nagtrabaho dito sa Naga City, sa Naga City Hospital, St. John Hospital, tsaka Niloroa. Nag-gain lang ako na experience. After noon, nag-decide na ako mag-abroad kasi kumbaga dreamer talaga ako. Gusto ko talaga, may goal talaga ako na sana one day maging successful din ako. So nag-abroad ako for 16 years in Saudi Arabia. Pero sa kasamaang palad, 16 years ako sa Saudi Arabia, pero hindi pa rin ako yumaman doon. Napakahirap maging OFW. Kaya kung may mga parents kayong OFW, bigyan nyo na importansya yung bawat salapi na ginugugol sa inyo. Kasi napakahirap magtrabaho sa ibang bansa. Yun, wag yung puro hingi. Abroad naman si mami, abroad naman si daddy, pahingi allowance. Yun, wag ganon. Pahalagahan natin lahat ng sinusuporta na sa atin ng ating mga magulang. After ko magtrabaho ng 16 years sa Saudi Arabia, umuwi na ako dito sa Pilipinas. Pagdating dito sa Pilipinas, nakakashock. Kumbaga, ibang-iba na talaga, parang ang hirap ng buhay dito sa Pilipinas. So, nakapagtrabaho ako sa isang maliit na clinic doon sa Caloocan. Na-amaze ako, doon ako na-inspired kasi yung isang clinic na yon, napakaliit niya lang pero ang dami niyang pasyente. Siguro 100 patients a day. Sabi ko, yaman na siguro ng may-ari nito. Sabi ko ganon. Kaya nagkaroon ako ng goal na magkaroon din ng isang clinic na ganoon. Inumpisahan ko yung VMB Med 2020. Initials ko yon yung VMB. Tapos Med 2020 kasi pinut up namin siya during pandemic time. Nung nag-uumpisa ako, parang walang naniniwala sa akin, parang ang dami nagtaas ng kilay, walang suporta, pero hindi ako pinanghinaan ng loob. Tuloy-tuloy lang ako. Lahat ng pasyente na paisa-isang pumapasok sa amin, inaalagaan namin yun. Binigay namin yung quest, quality, excellence, service, and truth. Kapag kasi sa isang negosyo, pag binigay mo yung quest, sigurado ako babalik-balikan ka ng mga pasyente mo. Hanggang sa araw-araw na dumadaan, lagi kong ang goal ko noon, every day dapat may achievement ako. Hindi ako papayag na isang araw dumaan na walang nangyari sa buhay ko. Hanggang 5 years, natapos yung 5 years, nakita ko yung resulta. Nagkaroon ako ng mga clinics, ng butika, ng birthing home in just 5 years. 16 years sinayang ko sa Saudi pero walang nangyari. Pero andito lang pala sa Pilipinas. Dito lang pala ako may mararating kahit papaano. Kaya kids, sa mga edad nyong yan, dapat meron na tayong goal sa buhay. Mag-focus tayo. Hindi puro barkada, lakwatsa, maging goal-oriented tayo. Dapat nasa isip natin, nasa puso natin, magtatapos ako. Kailangan kong matapos ang aking pag-aaral, ano man ang mangyari. Dapat, kung meron mang mga hadlang para hindi tayo makapagtapos, halimbawa, hindi na talaga kaya ng magulang, ganun. Marami namang opportunity sa government, maraming scholarships. I-try natin yun. Kasi dapat isipin natin, ano man ang mangyari, makakapagtapos ako ng pag-aaral. Ayon. So kids, maaari ko ba kayong patayuin saglit? Ilagay nyo sa isip at puso nyo ang salitang Nay, Tay, Mama, Papa, Mami, Daddy, ano man ang mangyari, magtatapos ako ng pag-aaral. Sabay-sabay kayo kids. Ma, Pa, ano man ang mangyari, magtatapos ako ng pag-aaral. Maraming salamat kids. Upo po kayo. Bago ko tapusin ang aking pagsasalita, sana kahit papaano ay may napulot kayong inspirasyon sa mga pinagdaanan ko. Hindi maling magkamali. Pwede tayong madapa, pwede tayong magkamali sa mga desisyon natin sa buhay. Pero kailangan alam natin paano babangon, paano aayusin ang buhay natin, at paano lalaban uli. Di ba, yung sabi nga, sa pamilyang ito, walang susuko. Laban lang tayo lahat. Congratulations, kids, and enjoy the program. Thank you.
Presentation of plaque of appreciation to the guest speaker by the Chairman of the Board of Trustees and Principal.
Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Basic Education Department, and the Lasallian School Supervision Services Association Incorporated present this plaque of appreciation to Miss Vivian P. Maniago Bucas, RMT, in grateful recognition and appreciation of her invaluable presence and for conveying a significant message to the completers reflective of her knowledge and expertise, thereby serving as a shining inspiration as guest speaker during the Grade 10 Junior High School Moving Up Rides with the theme, Quest for Sustainable Future, a legacy upholding core values and innovations, held on April 8, 2025 at Naga College Foundation Incorporated, City of Naga, Philippines. Signed by our President, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva.
Distribution of certificates of completion and academic and non-academic awards by the Chairman of the Board of Trustees, Registrar, and Principal.
Citation reads, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Basic Education Department, Junior High School. Certificate of Academic Recognition is hereby given to, for his or her exemplary grade level academic performance with a general average of school year 2024 to 2025, given this 8th day of April 2025 at Naga College Foundation Incorporated, City of Naga. Signed, Al Noel L. Asis, Assistant Vice President for Basic Education / Principal.
For non-academic awards, citation reads, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Basic Education Department, Junior High School. Service Award is hereby presented to SSC and Consulates, Kamapa, Heart Club, Campus Ministry, Legion of Discipline, Barkada Contra Droga, NCF Bed Coral, Peer Facilitators Guild, Robotics, Multimedia, and Public Relations for an excellent service and outstanding performance as member of his or her organization, thereby producing remarkable results during the academic year 2024-2025. Given this 8th day of April 2025, during the 10th Junior High School Moving Up Ceremony of Naga College Foundation Incorporated at City of Naga, Philippines. Signed by Al Noel L. Asis, Assistant Vice President for Basic Education Department / Principal. Kamag Field Service Award ay iginawad kay bilang pagkilala sa kanyang aktibong pakikilahok at kahusayang ibinahagi sa organisasyon bilang aktibo at masigasig na miyembro ng kapisanan ng mga mag-aaral sa Filipino. Iginawad ngayong ika-8 ng Abril taong 2025 sa ika-10 Moving Up Ceremony ng Basic Education Department, Junior High School, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, City of Naga, Philippines. Signed by AVP for Bed / Principal.
Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Basic Education Department, Junior High School. Service Award, Band, Rondalia, Girl Scout of the Philippines, for an excellent service and outstanding ability to motivate his organization, thereby producing remarkable results during the academic year 2024 to 2025. Given this 8th day of April 2025, during the 10th Moving Up Ceremony of the Basic Education Department, Junior High School, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, City of Naga, Philippines. Signed, AVP for Bed / Principal.
Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Basic Education Department, Junior High School. Campus Journalism and Campus Broadcasting Award is hereby presented to, for his or her excellence in the field of campus journalism and broadcasting, recognizing his or her commitment to truth, responsible reporting, empowerment of the student body, and dissemination of accurate and relevant information during the academic year 2024-2025. Given this 8th day of April 2025 during the 10th Moving Up ceremony of the Basic Education Department, Junior High School, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, City of Naga, Philippines. Signed by AVP for Best/Principal. Special recognition in broadcasting is hereby presented to, for winning second place in Best News Reporting, first place overall in Best in Script Writing, and third place overall in the Best in Production in the TV Broadcasting Competition during the Division Schools Press Conference held from December 10 to 13, 2024, and for qualifying in the regional level in Sorsogon City from January 28 to February 1, 2025. Given this 8th day of April 2025 during the 10th Moving Up ceremony of the Basic Education Department, Junior High School, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, City of Naga, Philippines. Signed by AVP for Best/Principal.
Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Basic Education Department, Junior High School. Sports Achievement Award is hereby presented to archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, chess, dance sport, gymnastics, sepak takraw, swimming, table tennis, taekwondo, volleyball. This is a testament to your exceptional skills, hard work, and commitment. May this sport be a source of pride and motivation as you continue to excel in your chosen field. Given this 8th day of April 2025, during the 10th Moving Up ceremony of the Basic Education Department, Junior High School, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, City of Naga, Philippines. Signed, AVP for Best/Principal.
Certificate of Achievement is hereby presented to, for achieving growth in your Lexile score in the school year 2024-2025 in Scholastic Highest Lexile Score, Star Reader, Highest Lexile Growth, 100 Lexile Growth. Given on the 8th day of April 2025 at Naga College Foundation Incorporated, City of Naga, Philippines. Signed by Jane T. Aguirre, General Manager, Scholastic Philippines.
Grade 10 Agape Boys. Zach Lawrence Abay-Abay E. Calieja, Bacol, Naga City. Janver Antonio E. Saison, Canaaman, Camarines Sur, Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award Certificate. Carol Benedict Apin E. Mendoza, Cararaya, Naga City. Band Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate, Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award Certificate. Rian Carlo Azurias E. Argilies, Abelia, Naga City, with honors, Campus Journalism Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate, Sports Achievement Award, Gymnastics, Gold Medal and Certificate. Campus Ministry Service Award Certificate, Kamagville Service Award Certificate, Kamapa/Comelec Service Award Certificate, Heart Club Service Award Certificate. John Manuel Belmes E. Doblado, Santa Cruz, Naga City. John Kevin Binjola E. Mangampo, Santa Lucia, Magarao, Camarines Sur, with honors, Band Service Award, Silver Medal and Certificate, Rondalia Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate, Peer Facilitators Guild Service Award, Gold Medal and Certificate, Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award Certificate. Calic Emmanuel Brutas E. Alvea, Liboton, Naga City, Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Dylan Cirilio E. Alberto, Bacol, Naga City. Kurt Matthew Colonel E. Versosa, Iborac, Naga City. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award. John Manuel Dilanco E. Vaz, Palatas, Naga City. Sports Achievement Award, Swimming, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Christian James Fabiano E. Ostares, Santa Cruz, Naga City, with honor. Sports Achievement Award, Dance Sport, Silver Medal and Certificate. J. Francis Guevara E. Angeles, San Vicente, Canacman, Camarines Sur. Brent Carl Gunda E. Francia, Calawag, Naga City. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Julius Zaychan Dean E. Rabosa, San Isidro, Naga City. Sports Achievement Award, Table Tennis, Gold Medal and Certificate. Joseph Ian Lakita E. Asagra, Peña Francia, Naga City. Supreme Student Council Award, Silver Medal and Certificate. Sports Achievement Award, Dance Sport, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Pamagwil Service Award, Certificate. Art Club Service Award, Certificate. Peer Facilitators Guild Service Award, Silver Medal and Certificate. Wade Zachary Nilyaska E. Aguilar, Monterey Village, Naga City, with honors. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Luis Adrian Parma E. Chua, Bacol, Naga City, with honors. Band Service Award, Silver Medal and Certificate. Rondalia Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Barkada Contra Droga Service Award, Certificate. Legion of Discipline Service Award, Certificate. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Frank Carlos Miguel Pimentel E. Ancheta, Bagong Bayan Sur, Naga City. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award. Dan Angelo Marie Rodriguez E. Jasalva, Palatas, Naga City, with honors. Tamagwil Service Award, Certificate. Kamapa/Comelec Service Award, Certificate. Peer Facilitators Guild Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Rayon Floyd Spania E. Barbosa, Concepcion Pequeña, Naga City. Band Service Award, Silver Medal and Certificate. Rayo Shander Torres E. Esmeralda, Villa Karangahan, Calawag, Naga City. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Ace Valladolid E. Fernandez, Del Rosario, Naga City. Sport Achievement Award, Archery, Gold Medal and Certificate. Rayton Agape Girls, Haya Raquel Agustin, Villa Karangahan, San Felipe, Naga City, with honors. Girl Scouts of the Philippines Service Award, Certificate. Sports Achievement Award, Archery, Gold Medal and Certificate. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Maria Tricia Baldoza E. Foronda, San Felipe, Naga City, with honors. Peer Facilitators Guild Service Award, Gold Medal and Certificate. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Marian May Vergado E. Berdol, San Felipe, Naga City, with high honors. Campus Journalism Award, Silver Medal and Certificate. Peer Facilitators Guild Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Multimedia and Public Relations Services Gold Medal and Certificate. Jeraine Bernarte E. Lotino, San Roque, Legazpi City, Albay, with honors. Sports Achievement Award, Volleyball Girls Division Gold Medal and Certificate. Yesha Angela Bien E. Bazar, Balatas, Naga City, with honors. Campus Journalism Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate, Kamapa/Comelec Service Award Certificate. Joanna Marie Benavente E. San Vicente, Cararayan, Naga City, with honors. Althea May Cabase E. Namit, San Jose, Milaor, Camarines Sur, with honors. Heart Club Service Award Certificate. Sheena May Candelaria E. Peralta, Kapuknasan, Milaor, Camarines Sur, with honors. Heart Club Service Award Certificate, Scholastic 100 Lifestyle Growth Award Certificate. Jessica Sepe E. Sidra, Concepcion, Pequeña, Naga City, with high honors. Supreme Student Council Silver Medal and Certificate, Scholastic 100 Lifestyle Growth Award Certificate. Aizal Faith Garbiles E. Saquilio, San Felipe, Naga City, with honors. Scarlett Sofia Ignacio E. Perilla, Triangulo, Naga City, with honors. Marky Kaduwaki E. Avila, San Felipe, Naga City, with honors. Kathrina Shilo Pares E. Chokson, Calawag, Naga City. Marcela Prestado E. Hemadi, Cararayan, Naga City. Camille Faye Rences, Pagatpat, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Harvin Leo Reforba E. Almazar, Kasuray, Magarao, Camarines Sur, with honors. Band Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Joy Ribuya E. Ramirez, Calawag, Naga City. Maxine Tadeo E. Buena, Bagong Bayan Norte, Naga City, with honors. Campus Ministry Service Award Certificate, Kamapa/Comelec Service Award Certificate, Rondalia Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate, Art Club Service Award Certificate, Peer Facilitators Guild Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Jasmine Ian Tia Isumson, Triangulo, Naga City, with honors. Supreme Student Council Award, Gold Medal and Certificate, Robotics, Gold Medal and Certificate, Girl Scouts of the Philippines Service Award, Certificate, Multimedia and Public Relations Services, Silver Medal and Certificate. Shane Agatha Velarde E. Agsangre, Calawag, Naga City, Legion of Discipline Service Award, Certificate, Barcada Contra Droga Service Award, Certificate. Liza Jean Velasquez E. Mayaw, Dalipay, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Princess May E. Sumayaw, San Felipe, Naga City, with honors. Camagfield Service Award, Certificate, Kamapa/Comelec Service Award, Certificate, Scholastic 100 Lifestyle Growth Award, Certificate. Luis Claire Morfe Fausto, Grayton Agape Class Advisor.
Grayton Shalom Boys, Brent Winred Balote E. Tondag, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Edward Sencien Isaiah Barcinilla E. Trelies, Pacol, Naga City. Sports Achievement Award, Sepak Takraw, bronze medal and certificate. Earl Aldwin Batalier E. Abragan, Concepcion Pequeña, Naga City. Earl James Daria E. Narat, San Felipe, Naga City. Chester Deborah E. Persia, Rawis Donsol, Sorsogon, Sports Achievement Award, Volleyball, Silver Medal and Certificate. Rexter Grialbo E. Rustia, Garchitorena, Camarines Sur, Sports Achievement Award, Sepak Takraw, Gold Medal and Certificate. Gabriel Dan Deacon E. Guerrero, San Felipe, Naga City. John Lian Lumadi E. Amican, Abelia, Naga City, with honors, Kamapas/Comelec Service Award Certificate. Alan Humphrey Mendoza II E. Aguenza, Cararayan, Naga City. James Marion Mendoza E. Hornales, Calawag, Naga City, Kamapas/Comelec Service Award Certificate. Jude Matthew Mojica E. Brabante, Magarao, Camarines Sur, with honors, Kamapas/Comelec Service Award Certificate. Gian Jedrick Morano E. Ogmer, Siruma, Camarines Sur, with honors, Scholastic 100 Lexile Group Award Certificate. Earl Kenneth Ocampina E. de Galicia, Carolina, Naga City, with honors, Kamapas/Comelec Service Award Certificate. Sharby Al Painante E. Istabello, Cararayan, Naga City, with honors, Sports Achievement Award, Swimming, Silver Medal and Certificate. Juno John Paul Pinolio E. Ronquillo, Peña Francia Avenue, Naga City. Clarence Jed Rafael E. Trino, Calabanga, Camarines Sur, Sports Achievement Award, Volleyball, Silver Medal and Certificate. Arvin Ayman Ranas E. Alcantara, San Felipe, Naga City. Brent Kyle Romero E. Bilaro, San Felipe, Naga City, with honors, Barkada Contra Droga Service Award Certificate, Legion of Discipline Service Award Certificate, Scholastic 100 Lexile Group Award Certificate. John Austin Rosales E. Diocaresa, Sorsogon City, Scholastic 100 Lexile Group Award Certificate, Sports Achievement Award, Volleyball, Silver Medal and Certificate. Albert Jan San Antonio E. Sanyo, Layanggang, Naga City. Gian Andre Sanchez E. Valdemoro, Libon, Albay. Dave Anthony C. Lighten, Alawan, Naga City. Grade 10 Shalom Girls, Michelle Amata E. Marinal, Balakas, Naga City. Mary Amber Christie Anier E. Salvador, Magarao, Camarines Sur, with honors, Campus Ministry Service Award Certificate, Kamapas/Comelec Service Award Certificate, Sports Achievement Award, Badminton, Silver Medal and Certificate. Irene Jill Austria E. Cadores, Peña Francia, Naga City, Campus Ministry Service Award Certificate, Kamatpil Service Award Certificate, Scholastic 100 Lexile Group Award Certificate. Faith Andrea Bardon, Concepcion Grande, Naga City, Campus Ministry Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Carmen Gea E. Gapuya, Calawag, Naga City, Sports Achievement Award, Taekwondo, Gold Medal and Certificate. Rogel Nicole Belmonte E. Agator, Concepcion Pequeña, Naga City, Scholastic 100 Lexile Group Award Certificate. Kim Natalie Villones E. Marigondor, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Princess Quintana de Leon E. Mayorita, Bagumbayan Norte, Naga City. Alexi Naomi Doma E. Ocampo, San Felipe, Naga City, with honors. Sheila May Gata E. Escalante, with Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Yuri Sabana Martinez, EQ, Peña Francia Avenue, Naga City, with honors, Heart Club Service Award Certificate. Luis Alec Lipa E. Guevara, Cararayan, Naga City, with high honors, Kamat-Il Service Award Certificate, Scholastic 100 Lexal Growth Award Certificate, Campus Ministry Service Award Silver Medal and Certificate, Supreme Student Council Service Award President Gold Medal and Certificate, Campus Broadcasting Service Award Gold Medal and Certificate, Peer Facilitators Guild Service Award Gold Medal and Certificate. Election May Nidia E. Madea, Bombon, Camarines Sur. Audrey Immaculate Oco E. Bercasio, Mabolo, Naga City, Scholastic 100 Lexal Growth Award Certificate. Chrissy Therese Olaguer E. Sauco, Milaor, Camarines Sur, Barkada Contra Droga Service Award Certificate, Scholastic 100 Lexal Growth Award Certificate, Legion of Discipline Service Award Bronze Medal and Certificate. Grisha Jerry Policarpio E. Ensenada, San Felipe, Naga City, Sports Achievement Award Swimming, Silver Medal and Certificate. Caitlin Polotan E. Agapor, Kamaligan, Camarines Sur. Tricia May Senyar E. Vida, Kanakman, Camarines Sur, Kamat-Il Service Award Certificate, Kamapa/Comelec Service Award Certificate, Peer Facilitators Guild Service Award Bronze Medal and Certificate. Jillian Marie Sinusin E. Balid, Minalaba, Camarines Sur, Scholastic 100 Lexal Growth Award Certificate, Campus Ministry Service Award Bronze Medal and Certificate. Maria Teresa Tupas E. Biliesa, Bagumbayan Sur, Naga City, Campus Ministry Service Award Certificate. Casey Nicole Villanueva E. Paraiso, Cararayan, Naga City, Scholastic 100 Lexal Growth Award Certificate. Princess Alexandra Zaragoza E. Lazaro, San Felipe, Naga City, with honors, Supreme Student Council Service Award Gold Medal and Certificate, Girl Scouts of the Philippines Service Award Certificate. Maria Cecilia B. Dumalagan, Grade 10 Advisor.
Grade 10 De Vero Boys, Igon Acantilado y Royalty, Pacol, Naga City. Mark Justin Arbuis Jose, San Felipe, Naga City, Scholastic 100 Lexal Growth Award Certificate. Jake Wilfred Carrio, San Felipe, Naga City, with honors, Scholastic 100 Lexal Growth Award Certificate. Vincent de la Concepcion Jr. E. Garcia, Santa Cruz, Naga City, Scholastic 100 Lexal Growth Award Certificate. Theodore Zacchaeus Delmo E. Belleca, San Felipe, Naga City. Kim Justin Gonzaga E. Juarez, Goa, Camarines Sur, Sports Achievement Award, Athletics, Gold Medal and Certificate. Juan Paulo Lavapie E. Rodriguez, Cararayan, Naga City, with honors, Scholastic Highest Lexal Growth Award, Scholastic Medal and Certificate, Scholastic 100 Lexal Growth Award Certificate. Neo Mallorca E. Pili, Libmanan, Camarines Sur, with high honors, Scholastic 100 Lexal Growth Award Certificate. Unico Elijah Mendoza, San Felipe, Naga City. Joshua John Moreno E. Astor, San Felipe, Naga City, with honors, NCF Bedcoral Service Award Certificate, Heart Club Service Award Certificate, Peer Facilitators Guild Service Award Bronze Medal and Certificate. Apollo Noceto E. Gatpandan, San Felipe, Naga City. William Andrew Nogot E. Vargas, Del Rosario, Naga City. Christopher Nunez E. Salcedo, Mabolo, Naga City. Sports Achievement Award, Volleyball, Gold Medal and Certificate. Micael Orozco E. Bermas, Calabanga, Camarines Sur, with Honors, Scholastic 100 Lexel Growth Award, Certificate. Fiel Matthew Reyes E. Brillante, San Felipe, Naga City, with Honors, Kamapa/Comelec Service Award, Certificate. Scholastic 100 Lexel Growth Award, Certificate. Ryan Clyde Riego E. Nierva, Bagumbayan Sur, Naga City. Cyron Salayo E. Cruel, San Felipe, Naga City. Francis Xavier San Carlos E. Ramos, Del Rosario, Naga City. Sports Achievement Award, Swimming, Gold Medal and Certificate. Scholastic 100 Lexel Growth Award, Certificate. Ivo Theodore Solano E. Mayo, Dayangdang, Naga City. Ishan Jasper Terobias E. Adao, Pili, Camarines Sur, Scholastic 100 Lexel Growth Award, Certificate. Amer Villamor E. Regulado, Canaaman, Camarines Sur. Greten De Vero Girls, Kisha Janelle Anchuelo E. Orjales, Calawag, Naga City, Scholastic 100 Lexel Growth Award, Certificate. Cyrus Arellano E. Ardesa, San Felipe, Naga City. Angeline Andre Valia E. Morado, Concepcion Pequeña, Naga City, with Honors, Girl Scouts of the Philippines Service Award, Certificate. Scholastic 100 Lexel Growth Award, Certificate. Lamarna Isabel Besmonte E. Bonito, Ibmanan, Camarines Sur, with Honors, Supreme Student Council Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Campus Ministry Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Camalfield Service Award, Certificate. NCF Ventural Service Award, Certificate. Heart Club Service Award, Certificate. Scholastic 100 Lexel Growth Award, Certificate. Kena Sofia Vilason E. Sarato, San Felipe, Naga City. Gian Queen Roqueta E. Ortiana, Balatas, Naga City, with Honors, Scholastic 100 Lexel Growth Award, Certificate. Donabel de la Cruz E. Belsa, Cararaya, Naga City, Campus Ministry Service Award, Gold Medal and Certificate. Leia Celeste Divino E. Gonzalez, Cararaya, Naga City, with Honors, Scholastic 100 Lexel Growth Award, Certificate. Risha May Francisco E. Espiritu, Gaisa, Camarines Sur, with Honors, Rondalia Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Scholastic 100 Lexel Growth Award, Certificate. Jaira Armiana Francisco E. Verdillo, Simula Negros Oriental, Sports Achievement Award, Volleyball, Gold Medal and Certificate. Ayame Christine May Garcia E. Tuason, Concepcion Grande, Naga City, Scholastic 100 Lexel Growth Award, Certificate. Jasmine Nicole Go E. Tusok, Kamaligan, Camarines Sur, with High Honors, Heart Club Service Award, Certificate. Scholastic 100 Lexel Growth Award, Certificate. Jim Rose Gomez E. Bangayan, Cararaya, Naga City, with Honors, Scholastic 100 Lexel Growth Award, Certificate. Melvian Amelie Laredo E. Guevara, Bagumbayan Sur, Naga City. Jazz Mendez E. Nidea, Triangulo, Naga City, with Honors. Ira May Napili E. Relieta, Pacol, Naga City, with High Honors, Campus Ministry Service Award, Gold Medal and Certificate. Kamapa/Comelec Service Award, Certificate. NCF Bedcoral Service Award, Certificate. Scholastic 100 Lexel Growth Award, Certificate. Noemi Peliglorio E. Pradillada, Bula, Camarines Sur, Sports Achievement Award, Athletics, Gold Medal and Certificate. Samantha Muriel Portugal E. Navarro, Peña Francia, Naga City, with honors, Scholastic Star Reader Award, Scholastic Medal and Certificate. Vana Gabriel Rosana E. Magnayes, Dayamdang, Naga City. Hermione Ann Sandigan E. De Los Santos, Kamaligan, Camarines Sur, with honors, Campus Ministry Service Award, Gold Medal and Certificate, Camagfield Service Award, Certificate, Kamapa/Comelec Service Award, Certificate, NCF Bedcoral Service Award, Certificate, Peer Facilitators Guild Service Award, Gold Medal and Certificate, Scholastic 100 Lexel Growth Award, Certificate. Liza K. Sarmiento, San Andres, Catanduanes, Sports Achievement Award, Sepak Takraw, Gold Medal and Certificate. Janina Zayden Celerio E. Albo, Milaor, Camarines Sur, Scholastic 100 Lexel Growth Award, Certificate. Rain Margaret C. E. Parma, Magarao, Camarines Sur, with honors, Campus Ministry Service Award, Gold Medal and Certificate. Barkada Contra Droga Service Award, Certificate. Legion of Discipline Service Award, Certificate. Scholastic 100 Lexel Growth Award, Certificate. Marian Tenya E. Villa Esther, Pili, Camarines Sur, with honors, Girl Scouts of the Philippines Service Award, Certificate. Jennifer Alvarado, Grade 10 De Ferro Class Advisor.
Grade 10 Fiducia Boys. Lance Nielsen Albao E. Toledo, San Felipe, Naga City. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Justine Banyaria E. Briones, Del Rosario, Naga City, with honors, Sports Achievement Award, Basketball, Gold Medal, and Certificate. Marcus Angelo Bondok E. Brugada, Kapuko, Naga City, with honors, Kamapa/Comelec Service Award, Certificate, Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Ruan Briogos E. Buenos Aires, Monterrey Village, Naga City, with honors, Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Ruel Adamson Cabagbag II E. Borja, San Felipe, Naga City. J. Ross Dazo E. Brandarca, Pili, Camarines Sur. Hendrik Hunter Ibarra, Bagumbayan Sur, Naga City, with honors, Kamapa/Comelec Service Award, Certificate. Johan Matthew Rufansha E. Franz, Balatas, Naga City. Alexandre Cesar Delines E. Molino, Calabanga, Camarines Sur, with honors. Benedict John Mendoza E. Austria, Calabanga, Camarines Sur, Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Tyrone James Natera E. Roldan, Cararayan, Naga City, Sports Achievement Award, Sepak Takraw, Silver Medal and Certificate. Zedric Postrado E. Dazo, Del Rosario, Naga City. Vernon Emmanuel Reforzado E. Daniez, Pacol, Naga City. Carl Adrian Rodriguez E. Flora, Calawag, Naga City. Rafael Giro Sadsad E. Ortina, Calawag, Naga City. With honors, Kamapa/Comelec Service Award, Certificate. Paulo Antonio Sarte E. Dalida, Huban Sorsogon, Sports Achievement Award, Swimming, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Clark Angelo Segi E. Sotero, San Felipe, Naga City, Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Romeo Enrique Selga E. Almero, Pacol, Naga City, with honors, Supreme Student Council Service Award, Gold Medal and Certificate, Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Jovshan Alexius Taiko E. Balandra, Kararayan, Naga City, with honors, Campus Journalism Service Award, Silver Medal and Certificate, Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Caius Haniel Villar E. Moises, Pacol, Naga City. Grade 10 Fiducia Girls, Sofia Ramel Arañas E. Abiog, Kanakman, Camarines Sur, with honors, Sports Achievement Award, Taekwondo, Gold Medal and Certificate, Kamag Field Service Award, Certificate, Kamapa/Comelec Service Award, Certificate, Heart Club Service Award, Certificate, Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Aquilea Yusha Berces E. Naag, Del Rosario, Naga City. Sabrina Christine Calio E. Riabal, Del Rosario, Naga City. Zaira Consuegra E. Martinez, Triangulo, Naga City. Michmiel de Guzman E. Garchitorena, Pacol, Naga City, with honors. Jewel Margaret de los Santos E. Cortezano, Del Rosario, Naga City, with high honors. Campus Journalism Service Award, Silver Medal and Certificate. Campus Ministry Service Award, Certificate. Heart Club Service Award, Certificate. Peer Facilitators Field Service Award, Gold Medal and Certificate. Aliyah Kirsten Del Rosario E. Monte, Ragay, Camarines Sur, with honors. Yesha May Felipe E. Alferez, Mayon Avenue, Naga City, with honors. Audrey Sam Gutierrez E. Belka, Kararayan, Naga City. Sean Valerie Laganzon E. Morayan, Pacol, Naga City. Lyra Marie Yadop E. Juanito, Bagong Bayan Sur, Naga City. Kararaya, Naga City, with honors. Mika Abigail Regalado E. Valencia, Liboton, Naga City. Patricia Francine Reyes E. Atanasio, Calawag, Naga City, with honors, Campus Journalism Service Award, Silver Medal and Certificate. Rihanna Ron Saba, Tabuco, Naga City, Campus Broadcasting Service Award, Gold Medal and Certificate. Ryan Saez E. Sapusaw, Kararayan, Naga City. Janina Ray Villegas E. Bulanon, Del Rosario, Naga City, Girl Scouts of the Philippines Service Award, Certificate. Janina Ray Villegas E. Bulanon, Del Rosario, Naga City, Girl Scouts of the Philippines Service Award, Certificate. Joseph N. Haliare, Class Advisor of Grade 10 Fiducia.
Grade 10 Sofia Boys, James Austria E. Morales, San Felipe, Naga City, Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Suwan Dave Bonagua E. Balyeta, Kararayan, Naga City, with honors, Kamagfil Service Award, Certificate. Kamapa/Comelec Service Award, Certificate. Peer Facilitators Guild Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Marcus Calisi E. Ortiz, Concepcion, Pequeña, Naga City. Sean Louis Devara E. Bragais, Dayangdang, Naga City, Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Glazer Conrad De Vera E. Mendoza, San Felipe, Naga City, with academic distinction. Lawrence William Ebio E. Amponin, Pacol, Naga City. Johan Andre Esplago E. De Mesa, San Felipe, Naga City. Clark Dominic Flororita, Kararayan, Naga City. Antoine Henji Go E. Adiova, Dinaga, Naga City, with honors, Sports Achievement Award, Basketball, Gold Medal and Certificate. Sean Eli Hemadi E. Fabre, Pacol, Naga City. Algeron Lanyada E. Jacob, Canacman, Camarines Sur, with honors. Kyle Patrick Lopez E. Peñalosa, Minalaba, Camarines Sur, Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Irvin Alexander Madrid E. Sanyosa, Bulanggi Albay, Sports Achievement Award, Sepak Takraw, Silver Medal and Certificate. Dejan Gabriel Ognala E. Gantong, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, with honors. Lance Hubert Romulo E. Labrador, Santa Lucia, Magarao, Camarines Sur, Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award Certificate. Daryl Sagario E. Molino, Calabanga, Camarines Sur, Sports Achievement Award, Chess, Silver Medal, and Certificate. Zyron San Buenaventura E. Ortañez, Pili, Camarines Sur, with honors. Camagfield Service Award, Certificate. Heart Club Service Award, Certificate. Supreme Student Council Service Award, Silver Medal and Certificate. Seth Veril Tuason E. Ricamata, Concepcion Pequeña, Naga City. Michael Cedric Verdejo E. Evangelista, Balatas, Naga City, with honors. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Barkada Contra Droga Service Award, Certificate. Legion of Discipline Service Award, Certificate. Grade 10 Sofia Girls, Jaisal Armildes E. Lanorias, San Felipe, Naga City. Cherry Blossoms Joy Asis E. Moreno, Cararayan, Naga City, with honors. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Samantha Balaoro E. Cruz, San Felipe, Naga City, with honors. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Kathleen Sar Barbosa E. Villones, Pacol, Naga City, Campus Journalism Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Andrea Gail Barameda E. Deramayo, Liboton, Naga City, with high honors. Samantha Borja E. Villar, Pacol, Naga City, with honors. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Supreme Student Council Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Roslyn Cabrera E. Camba, Pacol, Naga City, Sports Achievement Award, Volleyball, Certificate. Mati Casquejo E. Campita, Del Gallego, Camarines Sur, with honors. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Sports Achievement Award, Table Tennis, Gold Medal and Certificate. Keith Irish De Jesus E. Alcanzare, Cararayan, Naga City, with honors. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Eliza May Doringo E. Heraldino, Pacol, Naga City, with honors. Campus Ministry Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Kamapa/Comelec Service Award, Certificate. Casey Reigns Geronimo E. Cáceres, San Felipe, Naga City, with honors. Campus Broadcasting Service Award, Silver Medal and Certificate. Maria Charmaine Jenkins E. Durante, Kasuray, Magarao, Camarines Sur, with honors. Princess Rica Justinado E. Jeremias, Pacol, Naga City, Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Will Grace Manzanero E. Panlican, Del Rosario, Urban, Naga City. Catherine Drexel Moran E. Cornelio, Pacol, Naga City, with honors. Barkada Contra Droga Service Award, Certificate. Legion of Discipline Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Antea Kale Olaso E. Ching, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Aika Rain Pantino, San Felipe, Naga City, with academic distinction. Camagfield Service Award, Certificate. Dana Nicole Perez E. Panganiban, San Felipe, Naga City, with honors. Kamag Field Service Award, Certificate. Peer Facilitators Guild Service Award, Bronze Medal and Certificate. Supreme Student Council Service Award, Silver Medal and Certificate. Rixel Jane Perez E. Fernandez, Tabuco, Naga City, with academic distinction. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Megan Pimentel E. Valencia, Bagong Bayan Sur, Naga City. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Maria Danica Retublo E. Cañesa, Concepcion Pequeña, Naga City, with honors. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Sports Achievement Award, Athletics, Gold Medal and Certificate. Angeline Tubale E. Baal, Igualdad, Naga City, with honors. Campus Ministry Service Award, Certificate. Barkada Contra Droga Service Award, Certificate. Legion of Discipline Service Award, Certificate. Scholastic 100 Lexile Growth Award, Certificate. Kian Mark James Empamon, Grade 10 Sophia Class Advisor. Grade 10 completers of Class 2024-2025, congratulations.
Para sa ating mga minamahal na mga magulang, mga bisita, mga tagapangasiwa ng paaralan, mga kapwa-estudyante, mga kaibigan, mga kababaihan at Ginoo, isang mapagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Isang napakalaking karangalan ang makapagsalita sa harapan ninyo ngayon. Hayaan ninyong kahit sandali ay angkinin ko ang oras, minuto o segundo upang ilarawan kung gaano kahalaga sa buhay natin ang ating mga ama at ina. Simula't sa pool, sila ang naging doktor sa mga sugat nang tayo ay bata pa at sa tuwing tayo ay nagkakasakit. Hindi sila naaalis sa tabi natin hanggat hindi nila nasisiguro ang kaligtasan natin. Sila ang nagpapalakas ng loob natin sa tuwing tayo ay natatalo at nanghihina. Nagiging sandigan natin ang ating mga ama at ina na nagsisilbing tungkod sa oras ng ating kahinaan at kalungkutan. Isang ama at ina na nagsilbing una nating guro na nagmulat sa atin sa mga bagay na dapat nating matutunan sa mundo. Bilang isang ama at ina, sila ay nagsilbing ilaw at haligi ng ating tahanan. Isa kayong tunay at tapat na mga magulang at kaibigan na kasama naming tumawa, mangarap at kasama namin sa lahat ng bagay, oras at pagkakataon. Tatay, nanay, papa, mama, daddy, mommy, salamat sa lahat ng pagmamahal at patuloy na pagsuporta sa amin. Hayaan ninyo na pagdating ng araw kayo ay aming masuklian. Lahat ng paghihirap ninyo sa amin ay aming tutumbasan. Aming tutuparin sa inyo ang pangakong aming binitawan na kami ay magpapatuloy sa aming pag-aaral at makatapos ng kolehiyo. Tangan ang inaasam naming diploma at pagsusumikapan na magkaroon ng karangalan. Aakyat kami ng entablado, dala-dala ang produkto ng aming pagsisikap. Kayo ang aming mga magulang na malaki ang sakripisyo at kapagalan para ipakilala kami at ipagmalaki sa mundo. Kaya naman, minahal namin kayo at patuloy na mamahalin pa. Ipaparamdam namin at sasambitin ang isang napakahalagang salita. Salamat. Maraming salamat sa pagiging mabuting ama at ina sa pagsuporta, sa pagmamahal at pag-aruga sa amin mula pa ng pagkabata hanggang sa ngayon at sa hinaharap. Aming pinapangako sa aming pagtanda ang alaala namin na may ama at ina na tumatak sa aming mga puso at diwa. Nais ko lamang gamitin ang oras na ito upang bigyan ng personal na parangal ang aking napakagandang mama at poging papa para sa lahat ng sakripisyo nila para sa akin. Mapapadangaton ko kamong maray. Isang taos-pusong pagmamahal at taas noong pagpupunyagi sa ating mga magulang. Sa puntong ito, bigyan nating masigabong palakpakan ang ating mga magulang at ina. Muli, maraming salamat po. Mahal na mahal namin kayo, aming ama at ina.
Sa pagkumpas ng iyong kamay, aking landas ginagabay, nag-iisang tiyak sa isang duda, simong sa iyak at pagluluksan, kung puso ko mapa, ikaw ang dulo, gitna't simula. Nahanap din kita, nahanap din kita. Oh, maligaw man at mawala sa kawalan, sa bawat kailan, sinat saan, ikaw na ang kasagutan, bawat kanan at kaliwa, kung timog man o hilaga, ang bawat daan ko ay patungo, ay pabalik sa'yo. Tagal nang lumulutang, walang pupuntahan, walang dahilan, parang ulap na walang dalang ulan, kamang walang kumot at unan. Bihag ako ng paglalak ka, may saysay ba ang paglalakbay, ngunit nahanap din kita, nahanap kita. Oh, maligaw man at mawala, ikot man Your grade 10 teachers signing off. We love you!
Thanksgiving and dedication prayer of completers, class of 2025.
God our Father, we thank you for the experience of beauty, love, strength, and joy.
Thank you for opening our eyes and awakening our consciousness to the painful realities within ourselves and in the world around us.
We pray for your help to do the hard tasks which lie ahead, that through us, ours may be a better world to live in. Open also our hearts to love and our hands to reach out.
We are grateful to you, Father, for showing us your constant care, goodness, and generosity through the people who touched our lives during the years at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated, our alma mater.
We thank our beloved teachers and their endless patience and unsolicited perseverance, and to our parents, guardians, and relatives who have unceasingly guided and give their care, support, and concern to us through the years. Reward and fill them with your love.
Thank you, Father, for your great love, which has made us what we are now. As we move on, make us grow more in that love. Make us witness to your truth and presence among us, and let your Spirit take possession of our life, that we may always serve in our brothers and sisters in our country and in the world.
And to our friends and classmates for adding color and meaning to this significant and historic event in our life, we dearly thank you. May integrity and uprightness preserve our commitment to you and the people we will serve. We ask this through Christ our Lord. Amen.
As we bid farewell to this chapter, let us all embrace the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. May the knowledge and skills you've acquired serve as the foundation of your future endeavors. I now declare this 10th Moving Up ceremony, class of 2025, officially adjourned. Congratulations, junior high school completers of class 2025.
may we request all the faculty and staff for the photo opportunity, followed by the class picture together with your advisors, Agape, Shalom, De Ferro, Fiducia, and Sophia. Please take your seat first.